from Mars, right? It's more dangerous and more challenging and exciting and more thrilling. Especially your bull riding, I would say, right?
Later. But have you experienced watching in bull riding already?
Yes, 12 kilometers small town. Big look at any people talking about road.
This time you will watch the real action here in Masbate. That's bull riding in Masbate. Okay lang. Okay lang. Salamat po. Still, the Visayas State University are playing on the game, casting down.
Oh! Mukhang mabilis ito.
Marunong. Alila.
Mabilis!
Ang mga papa dito, mga trade yan.
Okay, that's it!
Yun.
Tagador!
Ano po? Para makatumba ang baka o ang kailangan tagilid. Nakatagilid. Yun, patagilid. Dito. Yun! It's also very dangerous, no? Because of the horn.
Ulitin po natin na ito po ay hindi lamang laro kung hindi talagang ganito po ang ginagawa sa mga malalaking bakang dinadala sa ibang lalawigan, no? Ang term lang natin ay casting down, pero talagang ito po ay way of life doon sa mga farm, doon sa mga pistuhan, doon sa mga uma. Lost and found one advisor or spectacles or sunglasses.
Oh, he's on for a
Sino
ride.
po ang nawawala ng isang pair of sunglasses? Please claiming from us. Wow.
Matatamat na rin ngayon ang
There goes a white shirt.
sa casting down. May balakihan na, may sungay. Alam mo itong Xavier University, simula pa noon, hindi talaga sila nagbago ng uniform, lalo ng kulay.
I think that is their signature, even the logo.